In 2000, miners drilling nearly 300 meters underground in Mexico broke through a wall of rock. They expected another tunnel. Instead, they opened a doorway into a place no human had ever seen. Inside was a cave filled with crystals the size of telephone poles. Some were longer than a bus. This became known as the Cave of the Crystals, located in Naica, Mexico. The crystals were not decorations or minerals scattered across the ground. They were enormous pillars of transparent gypsum growing from the floor and ceiling in every direction, forming a natural cathedral made entirely of stone. But the cave had a deadly problem. The temperature inside reached about 50 degrees Celsius, with humidity near 100%. The air was so thick with moisture that sweat could not evaporate. A human body could not cool itself. Without special suits and breathing equipment, a person could survive inside for only about 10 minutes. Why were the crystals so large? For hundreds of thousands of years, the cave was filled with mineral-rich hot water. The water stayed at a very stable temperature, allowing crystals to grow extremely slowly, sometimes only a few millimeters over a century. Because nothing disturbed the environment, they continued growing uninterrupted for millennia. Imagine a place where nature worked so slowly that one crystal needed longer than entire civilizations to form. Scientists entering the cave had to wear refrigerated suits connected to ice packs. Even then, researchers often had to leave quickly to avoid collapse from heat. Eventually, when mining operations stopped and water returned to the cave, the chamber began filling again. The giant crystals are now mostly submerged, meaning humans may never explore it the same way again. The Cave of the Crystals reminds us that some of the most extraordinary places on Earth are not on the surface. They exist in darkness, hidden for ages, waiting for a single accident to reveal them. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next hidden place from history.